Another common question that a lot of our new customers are asking is what side of the roof should they be putting their solar systems on?
Yeah, it's really important. So if you're looking at, if you put your solar system on your north side of your roof, that's going to be the most amount of solar you'll generate for your home. And that was the goal back in the day when you had the 44 solar fit-in tariff. But today, most people go to work during the day, so you're using a lot of your power in the morning and in the afternoon when you get home. So if your house is perfectly positioned, the best place to have a solar system is on your east and on the west side of your roof. That's ideal because that's going to be the best part for when you're cooking but even if you have only a north facing roof, which will make you a lot of power, you can still put timers on your appliances like your hot water system, dishwashers, or washing machines to still maximise your solar system as well as your pool pump. Look, at the end of the day, the norther you are out in Australia, you can even have solar on the south side of your roof. So.